Let's see if he's got this putt figured out. Slide from his.
We interrupt the program to bring you this important announcement. This is an emergency missing child alert, or Levi's call, the Georgia version of an Amber Alert. The Savannah Police Department and the Georgia Bureau of Investigation are looking for a white 2022 Nissan Altima on May 15, 2025. Leilani Elliott, age 3, Hispanic female with black hair and brown eye color, was last seen wearing a yellow shirt, top, dark spandex, pants, and white shoes. She was abducted by Jess Elliott, age 32, Hispanic female, 5 feet, weighing 120 pounds, brown hair and brown eye color, and was last seen wearing teal tank top and black spandex. They were last seen at Brightside Advocacy, 825 Wheaton Street, Savannah, Georgia, going eastbound on Wheaton Street. Leilani Elliott is believed to be in extreme danger. If you have any information on the whereabouts of Leilani Elliott or the white 2022 Nissan Altima, please dial 911. The public can also provide information to the GBI tip line at 1-800-597-TIPS or the C-Send app for smartphone users.
To clean up. Just